This is a case study of Daniel from Ormond Beach, Florida, who contacted Eversafe Buildings with a unique metal building design. After speaking with an experienced building specialist, he decided to lay out a custom metal garage workshop that could be used in a wide variety of ways. His 30 by 40 metal garage features customer-supplied spray foam insulation with an air-conditioned interior. He also installed custom-made barn sliding doors on each end. Above, in the loft area, Daniel stores his spare engine parts and kayaking equipment. Traveling through the single 10-foot by 10-foot roll-up door on the right side, you will find an enclosed lean-to with additional rear workshop space. In the main part of his steel garage, Daniel incorporated voice-automated commands via Alexa to operate his iconic beer signs, fans, and electric garage door. No man cave would be complete without his trophy-sized taxidermy and fishing rods along the wall and a standing urinal for relief. For pricing on a 30 by 40 metal workshop garage, please contact us at 1-800-374-7106.